Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Mongolian chicken. So let's get started. For the marinade, you will need 1 to 1.5 kilos of boneless chicken. You can use any part of the chicken for this recipe. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oil. And for the sauce, you will need 3/4 cups of hot water, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of chicken seasoning, or you can crush 1 chicken stock cube, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use white sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of water. You will also need 2 medium onions cut into chunks, some oil for cooking, half a cup of garlic shoots which is optional, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds for garnishing, 1 large chili which I have ground it into a paste, or you can use 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, or you can use chili powder or some hot chili sauce. Just add it according to your taste. 5 cloves of grated garlic, 3 medium carrots cut into julienne, roughly 2 cups of fresh or frozen capsicum. I'm using red, green and yellow today, but you can use any color you like, and half a cup of chopped shallots or green onion. To marinate the chicken, take chicken pieces in a dish, add corn flour, dark soya sauce, cooking wine, light soya sauce and oil. Mix it well to combine using a spoon. Cover it with a plastic wrap and let it marinate for 10 minutes on the bench top. To make the sauce, take hot water in a jug, add sugar, chicken seasoning, light soya sauce, dark soya sauce and sesame oil. If you are using chili flakes, chili powder or hot chili sauce, then you can add it now. Mix corn flour and water together and add it to the sauce mixture. Give it a mix and put it aside. After 10 minutes, take a large non-stick fry pan, put it on high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add half the chicken and fry it for 5 to 6 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Take it out on a plate and repeat this with the remaining chicken. If your fry pan is small, then you can fry the chicken in 3 to 4 batches and put it aside. Decrease the heat to medium, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add garlic, ginger and chili. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add onions, give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. Add capsicum, carrots and garlic shoots. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it twice. Add chicken and give it a mix. Take your sauce mixture, give it a mix and add it to the fry pan and mix it well. Put a lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Add shallots or green onions, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Turn the heat off, sprinkle some sesame seeds on the top which is optional, and let me dish it out and show you. My easy Mongolian chicken is ready and you can serve it with some rice or some steamed vegetables. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.